It's bulldozing time.
Our hole that we dug.
The hole's over here.
That we dug.
It's over here.
Oh, but that we dug on the first day.
Oh, well, the sand probably got pushed over. Well, we've got the hole here. There used to be a bigger hole right where Jack is, but, you know, sand gets put back. Is that the hole, Jack? It's one of them.
We don't have a dump truck.
No, we can just make other piles.
I'll carry this. Carry this. Look how steam comes out.
Yeah.
That's clouds.
Yeah, it's a cloud of dirt.
See that dirt cloud came out.
It sure did. Is that fun?
Yeah. Look how this smooth road down here.
Yeah, cool, smooth road.
My truck's like grip on it. The road's so smooth.
The treads make the road so smooth?
The rest of the clouds. Thank you. Look how it looks. Oh my goodness. I can't move here.
You trying to get the backhoe part to work?
Yeah. Is this what a trencher looks like?
I guess so. That's what it's called, a trencher. Looks more like a backhoe.
Trenchers have saw on their front.
Oh, well, this doesn't have a saw. Yeah, and you know what? Jack knows a lot about trucks, so maybe this one just has the wrong name. It's called the Tonka Classic Steel Trencher. But it's a good, really cool truck.
It's a new truck for us. Well, I can do it. I'll dig off this. And dumping it here. No, glad we came out. I made it.
Molly, what do you think of that cloud? Is that kind of food?
I found a pumpkin. There. We're finishing get rid of the dirt. Look. Stay back. Stay back, everyone. I'm digging this hole in. You have to get away so I can dig.
Why?
Because it has to stay away from excavator. This is not real.
It's not real. You're digging another hole?
I'm unloading it.
What you doing? He's smoothing the pile?
You can't take a video, so I'm digging.
Well, I am taking a video.
make a video. So you can't. You have to stay back to make a video.
Alright, we're staying back and making a video.
Show me how to scoop. Now you scoop. So you have to scoop like this, like it's the largest bucket. This is not the biggest track you ever seen. Look how I dig the hole. It's much better to dig on a construction site. Look how it got teeth. Dig and look. Look how the tracks move.
Look, they leave nice tracks. The tracks leave tracks. Did you find a new spot?
Yeah. It's better if I dig with this one.
It's much better that you dig with that.
Yeah. Look how I dig the holes. It's steep. Look how the deepest hole is almost finished. It's almost finished.
Are you concentrating hard on your digging? So hard on your digging.
It won't take very long.
What won't take very long?
This.
This hole?
That won't take very long. The bigger hole.
Is it a bigger hole? A really big hole?
We're gonna fill in this soon.
What are we going to fill it in with?
Bulldozer soon.
Oh boy, there's a bulldozer coming.
It's gonna come soon. Take very long.
This isn't going to take long.
It's not. I'm scraping off the edges. Look how we do this. It's really big. Big hole. Sweet. Look at this hole.
Here's Jack's hole. Uh-oh, what's coming, Jack? Oh, you're building a new hole now?
No.
Or digging? I guess you don't build a hole, do you?
I'm digging this. It won't be a fire hazard. Be a fire hazard.
You don't want a fire hazard in the hole? That'd be terrible.
Oh, look what's down in the hole.
Jack, what is it? What is it?
Rock.
It's a rock?
I will put it in here to dump into something.
Uh-oh, Jack is filling up the bucket with rocks. I guess there's more digging first.
More digging. It won't take very long. I'm digging up the dirt from falling into the hole. That's gonna be for birds to poop in.
Whoa, you're not gonna dig up the hole? It's a hole for birds to poop in?
Yeah, and flush it.
Oh, what are they gonna flush with?
The thing?
The flusher?
Yeah, the flush.
Wow, I'm staying away from there.
And take a video. So this.
Jack, do you like videos of your trucks playing?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yes. How's this?
Are you digging fast? Wow, you are digging fast and well. Hey Jack, do you like digging?
Yeah.
Do you love digging?
Look how it is.
Do you love digging so much it's hard to answer Daddy's questions?
Yeah.
Oh, totally.
That's how I dig up the dirt. It's being plowed away. Beep, beep, beep.
That is a great hole, Jack. It's epic. Jack, do you think there's worms in your hole?
No.
There's not too many worms in this sand, is there?
I'm finding some trench.
When you're in the trench, what? Scraping edges?
That's scraping edges when you're bucket.
Jack, tell us more about your hole.
It's much more deep.
Much more deep? Oh, you've been working on it.
It's going to be plowed away soon.
Uh-oh, is there going to be another bulldozer coming?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's going to be coming soon.
Is it going to come today?
Yeah. Not tomorrow.
Wow. It's so deep. Do you think you're going to end up on the other side of the earth? Probably not. It's bulldozer time.
It's bulldozer time. Oh, look at the wet sand. Why is it wet? It's really wet.
What's it doing?
Storing the dirt from
Pulling the dirt? I think it's called dozing the dirt.
Dozing. Look how it look how it does. Look what tracks how it does. Look. Now I can smooth. Oh, there it is. I need to dig in it. It's gonna be more deeper. It's gonna be a deep trench. You're gonna love this deep trench.
Oh, who doesn't love a deep trench?
Love you in the comments.
And comets?
In the comments. You don't like it in the comments.
Oh, you want people to say something in the comments?
Yeah.
Oh.
Somebody doesn't like this hole.
Jack wants you to say in the comments if you don't like the hole he dug. You can also say if you like the hole.
Yeah. Look how I dig up the earth. Hi.
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
What's Molly doing? Oh, we switched excavators. This has a little bit bigger bucket. The shovel part is the bucket. The arm on the excavator is two pieces called the boom and the stick.
You're gonna love your new house.
Oh, you're building a house for the kids?
Yeah.
Cool. Is it going to be an underground house?
Yeah. Under here. Your house needs electricity.
And that's why you're digging the hole for electricity?
Yeah, for gas.
Oh my.
You're gonna live at this house that has air. The gas is the air.
There is a gas, that's right.
There's gas under our house. Deep hole.
Look at that. Let's explore it. Whoa, can we go down into it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's as far as the camera goes.
I want to get deeper for the camera.
Great. What are you doing for the camera?
Digging much more deeper.
Much more deeper? Wow, that sounds awesome.
It's going to be space for the camera.
Oh, you're making it wider.
Wider, yeah. Every people needs to live in. We're going to make it underground. We're going to see how you can see light under it. It is the gas.
Dirt is the gas?
Yeah,
Does that even make sense?
Yeah, so I'm digging out it. Because I'm digging out the soil that is out the dirt. It's dirt. Dirt is soil. Earth.
You're digging up soil from the earth?
Yeah, the
You
earth.
ran into the camera.
Making it deeper for the camera. Much more deep. It's going to fit a lot of kids.
Wow, a lot of kids are going to fit in that hole?
Yeah.
That sounds kind of scary.
See, I'm going to fit it in the hole, too. I'm going to fit it in the hole.
What are you doing, Jack?
Fitting in the hole.
Oh, Jack wants to show you that he fits in the hole. Barely.
Barely. I'm making it much more deeper. Wider, so you can put the camera in it. Now you can see the underground. See under. Why is nobody out?
Because it's getting late. It's almost nighttime here.
Yeah. Let's wait until nighttime comes. This can be the last hole. Then be a bigger hole. And the back. Dig like this. See how I dig? See how I dig? More that I dig is like this. Of it comes deeper. It comes and I dump it on the hole. And I'm making it much more wider. So you can see. You see it in this nighttime. In this nighttime, you see it. It's not gonna push it in there. It's just gonna push this away.
It's a big pile.
It's a pile.
What do you want me to do, Jack?
See in the hole?
All right, we're going to come close and look down in there.
Cool.
Here we go, kids. Let's go down deep into the hole that he's digging, into the trench. Would you like to live in here?
Yeah.
Jack, would you like to live in this hole?
Yeah. Really? That's the bug! Look, he's not my friend.
It looks like there's some kind of bug already living in the hole.
In the dirt.
Yeah, he's deep down in the dirt. We can't see him right now. Jack, it's time to say goodbye to the kids. We're going to dig all night. Can you say goodbye to the kids?
Yeah, I'm going to the next day.
Until the next day. What should the kids do if they like our videos? What should they do?
Go to the yucky park.
They should come to Yucky Park and play with you?
Yeah.
We would love for all the kids to come play with us, wouldn't we? Well, in the meantime, if you like our videos, to support us, please give us a like.
And don't forget the Axel shows.
Oh yeah, you love the Axel show. We like those guys too. And don't forget to subscribe to us too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.